Hi guys, not much going on today in the crypto space. Bitcoin hovering a little bit above 11,000. And yeah, we had just more or less a sideways move. The only thing was this similar to Bart Simpson pattern which we had today. I mean, it went up. I mean, not straight, but really fast. And then we had actually sideways move. But yeah, a lot of people tried probably too short. And then we had the real drop and now sideways again. So, I mean, it was not one of the most beautiful Bart Simpson patterns, but it is similar to this thing. I mean, I'm not a good painter, but yeah, anyway, we have seen such things, especially in 2018, a lot, and people have been asking, yeah, why is that? Is this just manipulation, somebody buying in a huge amount and then causing FOMO, maybe buying just up to here, and then the rest is FOMO. And then when it goes, usually, I mean, it goes sideways, and then they sell here, and then the rest is panic, and then it goes down to the same place. So basically, they buy here and sell around here or something like that. And there are a lot of other thinkings. I mean, so many people have been trying to find out what it could be when it goes up. Usually it started with an up move, and then sideways and then down at exact same amount. And what I've never heard, but this is really my thinking, I think it doesn't have to be manipulation. Of course it can be, and sometimes it probably will be, but I think this could just basically be a payment. I mean, most people, when they think about Bitcoin, they just think about, they compare it to a stock commodity like shares like Apple and Google and whatsoever, but it actually, or yeah, I mean gold's price, but it is not only that. It is more like, instead of a share, it is also a payment. I mean, we call it cryptocurrency, and hence it has some kind of, I mean, it is a currency and you can do payments. So this move here, when we calculate the 4 billion and when we take into account that only about 2% cash is in the market, then we come up to about 10 million, which you have to invest to create this price jump. And yeah, same thing down here, 10 million. So if somebody has to pay a bill of 10 million, and he or she, or I mean this company or this country is not able to use normal currency like US dollar, euro, Swiss franc, whatsoever. I mean, there are a lot of countries which cannot use these currencies because they have block, or they are blocked from international currency system, like Iran or North Korea or Venezuela, or yeah, there are many of these countries which are blocked from the normal market, and banks are not allowed to make transfer with these with companies or these countries or companies in these countries. So what they can do, they can use cash, or they can buy gold and ship it with a plane to some place, or they can use cryptocurrency, which is of course really convenient. Doesn't mean that there is more crime and illegal things, but they have now a way to like a more convenient way. Instead of using cash or gold or other things, they can now the buyer can now buy, I mean, the buyer of a good, he has to pay that. And like, let's say they buy something, machines or weapons or whatsoever. I mean, you never know. Planes, they can cost a lot of money, dozens of millions, hundreds of millions. And yeah, the buyer basically has to buy the Bitcoin on a local market. And yeah, then the price goes up, and then they send the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency to the sender of the goods, yeah, and then they will sell it on the open market, and then the price goes down again. So it's very, very simple. I mean, this usually would not happen in a bigger market, of course. And if we would, I mean, maybe in a couple of years or 10 years or something like that, when the market cap of Bitcoin will be much higher, Bitcoin price will be much higher, then we wouldn't have such things, and maybe the up and down would be much smaller, maybe something like that, and nobody would even notice. It will go up maybe 10 or 20 dollars instead of a couple of $100, something like that, when there is more liquidity on the market than the swings for normal trade or transfers or buys, or for buying goods. They will be just smaller. So this is, I mean, of course, I don't have any proof. This is my thinking. I mean, I've heard about such transfers in countries which are left out from the normal market. There are such things going on, and subsequently there have to be some things like that. And here we see a couple of hours away, I mean, they are sending the Bitcoin, they have to check if everything is good, and then they are selling. I mean, could really be within 6 hours. Absolutely makes sense based on my thinking. So yeah, that's it for now. I mean, really not much going on in the crypto space today. Maybe tomorrow more positive. It has been going sideways for 2 weeks now. Maybe there are another 2 weeks left. Another thing which I have heard, that it could really take 30 days to create a new pump, and that's really an interesting topic. So I will probably make a video on that tomorrow. So if you wanna see that, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, so you will see all these new videos which I'm doing about crypto and other interesting things. And so yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.